Welcome back to another video with Tony's phone collection. Today we're going to drop test the Motorola I don't even remember the name of it. I'll just put it in the title. It works, kind of. The front screen, let me see. The front screen doesn't like to turn on sometimes, but it's actually on. So I don't know why. It shows it's open because it says US Cellular on the back. So the screen just doesn't like to come on this one. But it is on. So on the flip phones, we're not going to do waist height because they're probably not going to break because there's no glass on them. So we're just going to go head height and then we'll just throw them. We'll start slow motion for the backdrop. In 3, 2, 1. Alright, so the backdrop, kind of scuffed the metal up around the edges. Popped the back off too. Nothing too bad though. Alrighty, now we're going to do the side drop. I'm just going to hold it by the antenna. In 3, 2, 1. Now taking a look at it, it definitely hit right there. Like I said, this phone's really nasty too. I couldn't get it to clean up either. Looks like the back's coming off. Looks like it kind of hit the charging port too. Maybe like a rock hit it. Other than that, looks pretty good. Let's go and start slow motion for the face down drop. In 3, 2, 1. Alrighty, that landed straight on this front. I was about to say screen, but it's more like on the front. Looks like it actually powered off and powered back on. Just a lot of scratches on it. And we're going to do one more open like that to do drop test. Alrighty, in 3, 2, 1. Take a look at it. Looks like it hit right there, around the front edges, down here towards the bottom. Like I said, it's still working. So now we're just going to throw it up. Slow motion on. In 3, 2, 1. It looks like from that one, it didn't reset it. Doesn't look like it did anything to it, so. Alright, I hope you enjoyed the drop test of this one, and stay tuned for more.